Welcome back. In this video, you are going to learn how to build an hotel booking website. So primarily in this video, I won't be building any website, but I'll be showing you through the plugin to use for your hotel booking. The plugin to use. So the name of the plugin that we are going to be using is called WP Hotel Booking, and this plugin is a free plugin that you can get from your WordPress WordPress plugin directory. So the name of the plugin is WP Hotel plugin. So you can get it. So this is the plugin here, WP Hotel Booking. So the next thing is I am going to take you through the customization of this plugin, the explanation and everything. So here we have WP Hotel Booking. WP Hotel Booking. So the first one you click is you have booking order. When you click on this booking order, it is going to show you all the bookings you have for that particular day, and you can decide to add by yourself also. For example, you are building an hotel website for your clients, or you yourself, you are building an hotel website for yourself. Then somebody come to your hotel to book a room, so you want to make the booking yourself. So all you need to do from this is to add new booking. So when you click on add new booking, it is going to show you the options that you are going to use to add the new bookings, the details of the person, the and every unnecessary things that you'll be needing. And this is the payment method. If you want offline payments, or so this is where you put the customer details. You can edit it, you can put the name of the customer, you select the initials of the customers here, then you put the name of the customer, the state, the postal code, the email address. You can add a note, so to make the booking, to set the booking yourself. Then from this place like this, we have the booking items. So you can try to delete selected. So there's no booking item here because you have not book anything. But before the end of the video, we will try to book a room. Yes. So from this place, the next option we're having is the extra options. These extra options explain the additional options that we have with the booking. So if you click on add new extra room, so extra option means that you want to add a new room. When you are making the booking, you probably the customer make booking for 2 rooms, then you want to add an extra room. You go to this add new extra room to add the extra room. So you click here to add the extra room. So you can select the name of the room and put the details of the room, also the price of the room and everything. So this stands for adding an additional room. Maybe you have 10 rooms before, then you want to add an additional room, you can add it. So this is for the couple to give discounts to the customers and everything. So let's move to the settings. So if you go to the settings, we have the general settings. The general settings, the first option here, checkout dates blocked, single purchase, custom process, and you can change the currency. Let's change it to Nigerian naira. Let's look for Nigerian naira. Let's change it. Presently it is in US dollars, so we have to change it to Nigerian naira. So this is it here. Then currency position, let's leave it at the left side here. Then all these things, if you are familiar with WooCommerce settings very well, you won't have much problem with setting this. So enable coupon, you can try to enable coupon. So I will enable coupon and I will just click on update. So from this place I have clicked on update. So the next thing is I will check the pages. I will check each pages. That's the next thing. I'm going to check each pages. So in this rooms page, it is you select hotel room, so it is automatic, but you can decide to create new. But it is here already. Everything has been set here. Everything has been set. So we have the emails. You have to select the emails that the admin email. When your customer make reservation, definitely they must receive an email. So we have the checkout option here. Then you have to cancel payment. After how many hours will the payment be cancelled? It is in 12 hours here. So let me just select after 2 hours. The payment should be after 2 hours. The person has made reservation and the person is not making payments. The payment should be cancelled. That's the meaning. So we have the rooms here. We have the rooms option here. So for this rooms option we have, so the number of column display catalog page is set 4, the number of post display per page 8. So everything is set. So when we start adding this, it said display price, enable rating or reviews on each room, enable advanced review on each one of them, and everything is set already. So I won't like tamper with the default settings. So let's move to the rooms now. Let's move to creating of rooms. So this is room, so I've just a room type. Now the first thing is I want to create the new room type. You know, we can have different room type. I will say okay, let's have let's do let me use the basic room. The basic room, I will scroll down. Okay, add new room. Let's say the standard room. Then again, let's say premium. So it depends on what you are doing. It depends on the it depends on what you are doing, and depends on the on what you are building, on what your customer give you, your clients give you to build. And if it is your for your own personal use, it depends. So I'm just using these names and as an example. So for this place, we have already select the room type. So the next thing is I will go and create the room now. So start creating room, I will click on room, then I will select create new to okay, add new room to create a new room. So for this room, I will say okay, room 1. So for this room 1, you can enter the description of that particular room. You can enter the description of that particular room. So let me look for a default text to copy. So I'll just put room. I will put room. I can't find a default text right now. So the quantity of the room, so the number of rooms available. Now, since I am saying room 1, you know, for some under this basic, the title of the room is room 1. So the number of room available for room 1, I will just say 1. It is 1, like for that room 1. So room capacity, I can say like 2. Maximum children per room, like maximum people per room, I can say okay, maybe 2 or so. So add room to the featured list, yes, I can say yes. So this is for the this is for the general. Then the next one here, we have the external link. There's no external link. So allowing attaching a redirect link, you can redirect redirect them to another external link, but I'm not redirecting. So additional information if you want to put it. So for the pricing, when you click on pricing, then we have the regular price for Monday. So you can even select different prices based on the deals. You can select different prices based on the deal. So the book special date, we said okay, for this particular one, you can know block special date. You can say that okay, this on 21 like this, oh, you don't want anybody to make order. So I'll just click on updates. So block sources. So the next thing we have here is the gallery. That is, if you want to select different images, at least you want your customer to see different images. So I don't have, okay, I'll be using this. I think I have some here. Okay, let's do this. Select, let me add 2 more, then another one. So let's leave it like this. So for the deposit, so deposit payment, you said okay, so deposit type, you can set fixed value or percentage of price. So deposit amount, I said okay, let me just say one. So for the regulations, you can know rooms, the hotel rooms rule, so that your customer won't just, so you want to give you want to write regulation for that particular hotel room, you can. So for the FAQ, popularly asked question, you can add the questions. I can say okay, So I click on add more. So I've added it. I'm not adding anymore. I'll just like leave it here. So the next thing we have the facilities. So you want to add facilities that are available in that room. You want to add facilities. So I can say AC. Then I'll just like leave it like this. So the extra options, you can add extra options, you can add additional options for the room in case you want to add anything and it is not here, you can add it. So after everything, you go to this right hand side, you select the category that that room belongs to. I'll click on basic. So I will scroll down to select the featured image for that room. I will scroll down to select the featured image for that room. I'll click on any of the image here, set featured image, then I will click on publish to publish it. I'll click on publish to publish it, then we'll be able to view our room. So we have added the room. Let us view the post like this. So if you notice very well, this editing details, it looks like when you are editing your post, your normal WordPress post, that's the same editing, that's how the editing panel look like. So look at what we did. This is the room 1. So you can check the availability of the room. Maybe the room is still available, you can check it. You see the description. So this is the description of the room. The additional information, we don't have any. The FAQ, I only add one, and this is it. The facilities, I only add AC. Reviews, there's no review yet. Nobody review it here. The pricing plan, this is the pricing plan for Monday, for Tuesday. Remember that I did not add any price to it, so these are the pricing plan. I did not add any price the other time, so that is why you're having 0. And these are the gallery that we added. We have it here. It is like showing, and it is very beautiful. So let's go back to the dashboard. Since we have created a room now, and it said WP hotel booking is ready to use. Let's quickly set it up. Let's do the setup of the WP hotel booking. So we have run setup wizard. I will continue to run the setup wizard. So it's the same thing that we have done the other time. I will leave all these things automatic. I'll just leave them as a default option. Then I'll continue. Then we have, it will take us to the payment that you want. Maybe it is paper. It said WP Hotel can accept both online and offline payments. Additional payments add-on can be installed later. So you can add an additional payment add-on for this. It is not necessary that it is only paper, because if it's a Nigerian client, it's possible you might want to use like Paystack. So you can add Paystack to this. You just you download the payment gateway for this, then you add it. Then I'll click on continue. Then we have finished it. So let's go back to the dashboard. So on my website here, I said visit website. On my website here, then I will go to hotel rooms. To confirm the hotel. Look at it. We have only one room, and that is why there is only one room that is showing here, because we have only one room. That is why there is only one room that is showing here. So you can add as many as possible rooms you want. You can add these room categories. You can set WP hotel booking options. So I am going to be adding more rooms. I'm going to John now. So I am going to be adding more rooms from this place. So I will be using chat GTP to generate my content this time around. I want to add 3 extra rooms. So I can take us through the booking process and the rest of the stuff. So from this place, I will just, the name of my room is standard room. Then the room description, I'm going to paste it here. So let's check. So for this general, for the quantity, the numbers of room available, I'll say 10. Then the room capacity, I'll just like 3. The maximum children per room is 0. So add room to featured list, then external link. I don't have external link to paste. Additional information, I don't have any. So I will go back here to the pricing. So to the pricing, I will set for Monday, I will say let the price be let me say 50,000 naira. I will copy the same thing and paste it in the rest. I will paste it. I will paste it here. I will paste it here. Then I will paste it here also. Then the same thing for the rest of the day. Then for Sunday too, I want to maintain the same price. So other plans, zero plans, no additional plans. So block special date, I'm not blocking any dates. So for the gallery, I will just add only one picture. For the gallery, I will just add only one image here. So I will add this one. Then for the deposit, I'm not going to put any deposit tax or deposit bridge. So for the regulation of the room, I don't have any. For the FAQ, I am going to be adding so does the standard room include breakfast? So these are the likely questions. I'll just go here. I will paste it. So for the answer, that's the content. He said okay, breakfast is available, blah blah blah. I will copy it, come back here to paste it. So I want to add more. Let me add one more. So I said okay, can I request for an extra bed? So can I request for an extra bed? I'll copy it, then come back here, paste it. So for the answer, I will copy the answer also. Though I don't want this video to take a longer time. I don't want this video to take a longer time. So add more. I will not add any again. Then I will move to the facilities. So I want to add facilities. Then I can say okay, air conditioning. So I'm okay with it like this. So for the extra, even though I'm supposed to be add them one by one, like I will add okay, I free high speed Wi-Fi one. I will add more. I will list them one by one, but I'm not listing anything. So I'm okay with this. So I will go back to set the room type, which is let me say standard. Let me just say standard. Then the featured image, I will set, let me use this as the featured image. Then I've set it already. Then next thing is that I will publish it. I will publish the room. So I have published it. So I will click on add new room. I want to add another room. So let's check if I'll be able to add close to 4 rooms. So the next room here, I'll say okay, deluxe room. So I have added this. Then I'll come back to add my description. I'll come back to add my description. So after this one that I'm adding, I will go and book a room to see how it looks like. So let's add the pricing. I'll just leave the defaults. I will leave the defaults. So the pricing for Monday, I'll say 20,000. This 20,000. This 20,000. This 20,000. This 20,000. This 20,000. So for the block special date, I'm not blocking any dates. For the gallery, I'll just add um I will add this alone. Then for the deposits, the regulations, the FAQs, I won't be adding FAQs this time around. The facilities, I won't be adding any. The extra option, I won't be adding. So I will select the premium, then I will go back and add the featured image. So let me use this image as the featured image, then set image, and I will click on published. So the next thing is, let's go to view our rooms, the rooms that are available. So we can check how to view room pages. We can check how to book a room. So look at the room we have. We have you see the price. This one price is showing. This price is showing 55,000. This price is not showing it's not showing anything because we did not add any price. So this one that has the price, I will click on it. The standard room that has the price, I will click on it. So after clicking on it, so we have this is the price per night. This is the price per night. So the description, the additional information, the FAQ that we added, the facilities that we added, the review, there's no review yet. Then the pricing plan, from Monday to Saturday we maintain the same price the other time. So I will just click on okay. This is the picture of the room. So check room availability, then the arrival date. So if I want to book a room, I will select my arrival date. Let's assume I am departing by I want to depart March 6. So I said check I will check if it's available. So it is available. I will check okay, add to cart. So after adding to card, if I have a coupon, I will apply my coupon. I don't have. It says subtotal is 300,000. The tax is 10%. So remember that there's a time that there's a place I set tax the other time. So you can decide to for hotel, especially for all these hotel booking, government used to collect like tax from them. So sometimes they charge the tax on the or on people that comes to lodge in the hotel. So you can select your own tax. Maybe it's just 2%, but this one is 10%. So the advance payment you are making, you are allowed to make an advance payment. Like since the whole total money is like 330,000, you are allowed to make an advance payment. You know, you are booking a room, so you have to make advance payment. So when you come back, when you now come to the hotel to come and when you want to lodge in, or when you are lodging out, you can now make the rest of the payments. So say okay, I said check out. So this is the hotel checkout. This is how it looks like. Advance payment. So you can decide to pay all. You can decide to pay or say I want to pay all. I'm not like paying one advance and everything. I want to pay all. So I have clicked on I want to pay all. So for the payment information, we have the additional information. No, the other time is not put any additional information. So I'll say I agree with. So I'll say checkout. So for the checkout, the customer details, the customers will fill his or her name. So the customer will fill his or her name. From this place we have the first name. So let me use okay, I think I have. So I said checkout. So the payment method is not available because we have not set any payment method yet. But if you have set payment method, the next, so I will come back here to set the payment gateway. From the WP hotel booking, I'll click on settings here, then you click on this checkout. So I want to add an offline payment. Since we can't add a PayPal, if you have a PayPal account you can add it, but I would like to add an offline payment. So enable checkout booking via offline payment. So the instructions, you put instructions here. So I'll just add probably a bank account here. Then you add the name, let's say then the bank. So you come back here to update it, and you are done with that. So let's go back to our cart page. Yes, I will go and check it in these all pages. I will go back to the checkout page. This is hotel account, hotel booking search, hotel card. So all these options you can add it. You can add it to your menu. You can add it to your menu. So I'll just click on this checkout and view now. So let's see. So we have something there already. I have added one more room. So this the payment method, offline payments. So I'll click on checkout. So I have to select this, then I'll click on checkout. When we click on checkout, so you come back to this booking order to check your bookings, and this is it. This is the booking. This is the booking. So as an admin, you can come here, select it, then you can decide to check, do anything you want with this. But this is how it works. This is how WP hotel booking will work. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please comment, like, and share to your friends. Thank you.